everyone, I'm back again with the section C part of the math sample paper. Now let's get started with the first question. Now the first question is the distance between the two stations A and B by road is 240 kilometers and by train it is 300 km. A car starts from station A with a speed of x kilometer per hour, whereas a train starts from station B with speed 20 kilometer per hour more than the speed of the car. Now the first part of the question is we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the station B. Now as you all know, the formula of time is distance upon speed. Now the distance traveled by the car is 240 kilometers. So 240 upon the speed is x kilometer per hour. So the time taken by the car is going to be 240 upon x hours. So the option A is the right answer. Now the second part of the question is the time taken by the train to reach the station A. And similarly, time equals to distance upon speed. So the distance traveled by the train is 300 km. 300 km upon the, now the speed. Now speed is 20 kilometer per hour more than the speed of the car. The speed of the car was x, so 20 more is x plus 20. So when you look into the option D is the right answer. Here, fine. Now the third part of the question is if the time taken by the train is 1 hour less than that taken by the car, what is going to be the quadratic equation so formed? Now the time taken by the car was 240 upon x and the time taken by the train was 300 upon x plus 20. Now the train was taking 1 hour less, so the equation can be written in this way. Now we are going to solve for it. Now the denominator is going to be x upon x plus 20. Now if you cross multiply, you are going to get 240 into x is 240x. 240 into 20 is 4800 and 300 into x is going to be 300x equal to 1. Now we're going to cross multiply this and then we're going to get, solve further, we're going to get 4800 minus 60x equal to x square plus 20x. Now if you shift it this side, we're going to get x square plus 80x minus 4800, which is equal to 0. So this is going to be the quadratic equation so formed. So if you look into the option B is the correct answer. Fine. We are here with the last part of the question where we have to find the speed of the car, and that means we have to calculate the value of x. The quadratic equation so formed was x square plus 80x minus 4800. Now we are going to find the factors for it. Now this can be written as x square plus 120x minus 40x. You solve this, you are going to get 80x minus, now we are going to get x minus 40 here and x plus 120, which is equal to 0. So here we are getting two values, one is 40 and then minus 120. So we are going to discard this. So the value of x is 40 km per hour. So the option C is the right answer. Okay, in the next question we have been given a triangle PQR where AB is parallel to QR and QP is parallel to CB and AR is intersecting CB at point O. Now the first part of the question is we have to find a triangle which is similar to triangle ARQ. Now, when we talk about similar triangles, if the triangles are similar, then they have the same shapes, but they may vary in sizes. Now, two triangles, supposedly I take triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Supposedly, if these two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles, that is, angle A will be equal to angle P, and angle B is going to be equal to angle Q, and angle C will be congruent to angle R. This is the first point of similarity. The second point is that if the two triangles are similar, then their the corresponding sides are going to be proportional. That means AB of the first triangle upon PQ of the second triangle, and BC of the first triangle and QR of the second triangle. Similarly, AC of the first triangle will be proportional to PR of the second triangle. Now let us talk about the axioms of similarities of triangles. Now, to prove the two triangles to be similar, this can be done by three different ways. The first one is angle axiom of similarity. Then the second one is side axiom of similarity, and lastly we have side axiom of similarity. These are the three ways by which we can prove the two triangles to be similar. Now let us consider the triangle ARQ. Now the four options have been given. Now let us write this angle as A, this as B, and C, like this thing as D, and then E. Now let us take triangle, let us consider the triangle ARQ, and the first one is triangle ORC. Now in triangle ARQ we have angle A and angle A, which is common in both the triangles. Then we have angle D, which is equal to angle B, which is corresponding angles. Similarly, we have angle E, which is equal to angle C. Again, the reason being corresponding angles, because this line CO is parallel to QA. So by angle axiom of similarity, angle axiom of similarity, the triangle ARQ is similar to triangle ORC. So the option first one is the correct answer. Fine. The second part of the question we have, if triangle PQR is similar to triangle BCR, then we have to show by which axiom of similarity are these two triangles similar. Now let us consider the triangle PQR. If they are given to be similar to triangle BCR. Now this is angle R. Now I am writing this thing as angle A, this is angle B, and this is written as angle C and angle D. Now we have CB parallel to PQ. Now angle R is equal to angle R, which is common in both the triangles. It is common. Now angle C will be equal to angle A. The reason being corresponding corresponding angles. In the same way, we have angle D, which is going to be equal to angle B. The reason being corresponding angles. So therefore, the triangle PQR is similar to triangle BCR by angle axiom of similarity. So option B is the right answer. Okay, in the third part of the question, we've been given the value of QC, which is 6 centimeter, CR, which is 4 centimeter, and BR, which is 3 centimeter. The question is to find the value of RB. Now what we have done is we have mentioned the value of BP as X. Now we have already proved the triangle PQR similar to triangle BCR. Now this is a symbol of similarity. Now we have proved it to be similar by angle axiom of similarity. So when these two triangles are similar, that means their corresponding sides are going to be in proportion. So we can write it as PR upon BR, QR upon CR, and PQ upon BC. Now as we have the values of these terms, so we are going to take these terms. The value of PR, the value of PR is how much? The value of PR is 3 plus X. The value of BR is 3. The value of QR is 6 plus 4, 10, and the value of RC is 4 centimeter. Now we can calculate the value of X. Now if we calculate the value of X, we are going to get it as 4.5 centimeter. So the option A is the correct answer. Oh yeah, now we are into the last part of the question where we have to find the ratio of PQ is to BC. And now we have already shown the triangle PQR similar to triangle BCR by angle axiom of similarity. And we know that if the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportional. So we've got PR. The value of PR is 4.5 plus 3, which is 7.5 cm. Then BR, the value of BR is 3 cm, and if you cancel this and this, you get 15 5 is 75, 15 2 is 30. QR is to CR. The value of QR is 10 cm and the value of CR is 4 cm. So if we cancel this, you get 2 5s are 2 2s are. Now we can see that the corresponding side bear a similar ratio. So on the ratio of PQ is to BC is also going to be 5 is to 2. So therefore the option C is the right answer. Okay, fine. Now we are here with the last part of the question where we have to find the first three terms of the AP, where the nth term of the given AP is 3n plus 1. Now En is 3n plus 1. Now let us put the value of n as 1. When we put the value of n as 1, we are going to get 4. Now if we put the value of n as 2, we are going to get 3 into 2 plus 1, which is 7. When we put the value of n as 3, we are going to get 3 into 3, 9 plus 1, 10. So the first three values or the terms of the given AP is 4, 7 and 10. So if you look into the option D is the correct answer. Now we have got the first three value as 4, 7 and 10. So this is A1, A2 and A3. So the common difference, which is D, is going to be A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2, which is going to come in as 7 minus 4, which is 3, or 10 minus 7, which is again 3. So the option A is the correct answer. Here, the third part of the question is which of the following value is not a term of the given AP? Now, what were the first three terms of the AP? It was 4, 7 and 10. Now we can clearly see that there is a gap of 3 between them, and what is going to be the next value? It is going to be 13, then 16, then 16 plus 3 is 19, 22, 25, 25 plus 3 is 28, then we're going to get at 31 and so on. Now we can clearly find out which is the term which is not coming in the following AP. Now we are going to option A is 25, and option C is 28, and option D is 31. Clearly we can find that option B is 27 is not the given term of the AP. Now we are into the last part of the question, where we have to find the sum of the first 10 terms of the given AP. Now we've written down the first 10 terms here. Now this can be calculated by the formula n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Now where the value of n is 10, a is the first term, which is 4, and the value of d, which is the common difference, which is 3. Now if we substitute these value here, we are going to get 175 as the answer. Now this can be calculated alternatively also. Now since we know the last term, which is 31, it can be alternatively calculated by the formula n upon 2 a plus L, where L is the last term. Now n is 10 upon 2, and the value of a is 4. It is the first term, which is 4, and the value of L is 31. So we are going to get 5 here. 5 into 31 plus 4 is 35, and if we multiply this, we are going to get 175. So this is a answer. Now when you look into the options, option B is the correct answer. So here we come to the end of the video. I hope you must have enjoyed it. Please comment, like and share. Thank you very much. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.